Today I'm going to show you a method that I'm trying out for tick and weed control under my trampoline. Under this trampoline, the grass will grow as high as that metal ridge. So what I did today was to put my flock of chickens under the trampoline. This is a real hassle to mow under, and it's amazing how the grass grows under here. But it'll grow right up to that metal ridge. So today, I'm solving actually 3 problems. One, we noticed that the animals are coming in with ticks on them. And the kids play out here all the time. So I have the chickens out here. I have their food and water under there. They can free range somewhat. So they'll take care of the ticks. They'll keep the grass down. And problem number 3, I still have those 6 other roosters that hatched in the last batch that I didn't rehome yet. So I can't let these chickens free range because the roosters are always out free range, and then they just tear these girls up. Look at this poor girl over here. She's my biggest egg producer. This brown one, Sandy, and Midnight over here. And those roosters won't leave them alone, so I have to keep them apart. Anyway, oh, this guy got out. This is just temporary. It's not even strapped down or anything. This is just to keep the roosters out. And tonight when I open it up, these girls will go right back to their home. Now I do have a rooster in there, and he stays with them all the time. That's Tom. That's the one we had to take in about a month ago. I have a video up above on that one. He got caught up in the netting. It was a cold, wet night, so we let him sit by the fireplace for the night. And that's a wrap for now. If you enjoyed this video or have any comments, post them down below. Be sure to give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and hit that notification bell not to miss my new videos as I upload them. And above all, until next time, stay safe. Hey, Rouge.